Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the washer pressure switch in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Fully detach the panel assembly and set it on top of the appliance. Now unthread the screw securing the pressure switch mounting bracket. Pull the bracket straight back to detach. Disconnect the wire connector. Release the clamp and detach the air hose. Use pliers to help detach the mounting bracket. Prepare the new pressure switch for installation by aligning the mounting bracket and snapping it into place. Attach the air hose to the switch and secure it with the clamp. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the mounting bracket and secure it with the screw. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.